What's up around here? Today's exciting episode is about the first ever drop saw I ever used. We're going to try and get it working again. Alright. I remember why I stopped using this now. I'm not the strongest person on planet Earth, but this is ridiculously heavy. The Dewalt DW708XE, 305mm, which is 12 inch. It's another reason I stopped using it, because this cable became pretty frayed. It's got a lot of wood stain on it. Look at that. Cutting plastic maybe? So this thing has had a lot of use. So this is the first drop saw I ever had and used on a regular basis. It was actually my old man's drop saw, and I think he bought it, man, it must be like last date of manufacture, 2005. And I'm pretty sure he got it before then. So this drop saw's been around before I started building. Let's see if we can use it again. Wonder if you can help me, Mike.
I certainly can, brother. What seems to be going on? Oh shit, no, fuck, oh. Holy shit.
Drop saw.
Yep.
This thing here. Mike was just telling me how he's very excited to be in this episode and how this is what he's always wanted. Presents on YouTube.
Feel free to go take it, whatever photos around, as long as you don't get me in it, I'm all good. I'm too shy, bro.
Thank you, Mike, I appreciate it.
You have a great day.
So Mike's hooked us up with the blade and the cord. That should be enough to get it going. So I'm going to start by trying to put this cable on, this new one. The one and only Chef Pato is on his way here as well. He needs to use a wheelbarrow because he's doing some work at his house, and I think we will be going there later this week to help him out. And there's Pato Bell.
Brown Storage.
Yeah, welcome to Scott Brown Storage.
I've been here before.
Been here once, sir?
Yeah, once or twice.
Remember this? Remember this drop saw?
Oh yeah, shit son.
I can move the van if you want, bro.
Nah, it's all good.
So Pato here has dug some holes today, and now he's gonna go and pour some concrete. That's why he needs the wheelbarrow. And I'll come and help you build this shed on Wednesday, bro.
That's what friends are for, eh?
That's what friends are for. Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too, mate.
See you in the next exciting episode, eh? Okay, now we can see the path of the cord. So that's the part that holds the cord in. The cord goes through this, and then around here. Oh yeah, you can see the dust start to come out. And then it goes up here, along here, into the handle here, under there, and then up to here. Man, look at all that dust in there. And now, the new cable. It works! Very much time for an upgrade. Look at the state of that. So I just got a Mitre blade from Mike. I'm not that fussed about my blades. I like the Diablo blades, they seem to last pretty well. And they're red and they look cool. But I'll use whatever blade works. And this Mitre 305mm blade should work fine. This still needs a clean up. A lot of dust is sort of baked on there. Some rusty screws. It needs a bit of a tidy up, but we have a new blade. Let's try it out. One cut, that dust extraction is terrible. And I've got this one as well. Well, considering the dust extraction isn't the best, I don't think I'll be using this drop saw very often. But hey, it's here. If I need a 305mm drop saw at a moment's notice, it's ready to go. Well, I would have been 15 when my dad got that drop saw to build the extension on his house. I was still at school, mucking around, not even thinking about building. And the drop saw is still going. It's not ideal, I wouldn't want to have to use it every single day, but it's nice to know that I can use it if I need to. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next exciting episode. We'll do some proper building.